You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. It's actually pretty straightforward once you know, if you want to make sure and learn how to pronounce more diet names and more food names. Stay tuned. Pescatarian is the English pronunciation, a person who does not eat meat but does eat fish, alright? Somebody who eats fish, like a vegetarian, but who eats fish. Pesca, from Latin for fish, or Italian pesca. Pescatarian. Pescatarian. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.